Ladies and gentlemen, our first candidate, Mitt Romney.
Citizens of America, vote me as a president. I will give the right way to your freedom. I will help people that their houses are been destroyed to the flood, and you are my boss.
Thank you, Mitt Romney. Now our second candidate, Joe Biden.
Thank you, people of America. Many people do not have democracy because our last president, so if I win I will give you democracy.
Thank you, Joe Biden. Now our last candidate, Paul Ryan.
Thank you. If I win this election I will make boat when a flood comes in to relieve goods to the people of TH Evacuation Center, and if there are many houses that destroyed I'll change.
Thank you, Paul Ryan. That's all, people. Next week is the election, so vote wisely and vote who's the good president that you choose. Thank you.